laboratory inspection. In this specific video, I will be talking about how to present a document to an inspector. So in an inspection, there are a lot of documents which are required to be presented to an inspector. It may be during the site round and it may be during the audit in the audit room or the boardroom where the inspectors are sitting and we are required to present documents. There are a lot of documents which are required to be present during an audit, which includes site master files, validation master plan, protocols, SOPs, batch manufacturing records, batch packing records, QMS document which includes deviations, change control, CAPA, etc. Apart from that, lot many engineering document which includes layouts, area layout, facility layout, HVAC layout, man material movement layout, then calibration records. So there are endless list of documents which are usually required to be